Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though one of the requirements of being a member of the Mallam Buhari regime is to be a Buhari ass leaker, and it doesn't matter how important or prominent a person you are in your field, you have to be a Buhari ass leaker to be a member of his cabinet. What do I mean? I bring you this. I don't think any nation is doing what Buhari-led government has done. This is according to Fashola. So he doesn't think any nation has achieved all the things that Mallam Buhari has done. So now let's look at exactly what he is talking about. Former Minister of Power, Works and Housing, Babatunde Fashola, has said that the Buhari-led government has achieved major milestones that could hardly be achieved by any other country in the world. Fashola made this assertion during a recent interview with newsmen at his office in Abuja. This government, this is what he says, this government is doing something that I don't think many, if any, nation has ever done before. They are building the entire infrastructure at the same time. Ports, airports, railroads, power, and all simultaneously at the same time. Oftentimes, what most countries do is to finish one, then go to the other. It is because we have outgrown our infrastructure as a nation, and that is why you will see the commitment of the president to projects like the second Niger Bridge, the Igbado Ogini Bridge, the Mambila Power Plant, the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, and all these going on at the same time. So this is what he said. So now this is what this chap, Fashola, a prominent lawyer, is adducing for stating that Buhari is the best president in the history of mankind. Effectively is what he's saying. I'm not sure what he's after. He already has 3 ministries, and even if he's been relieved of his ministries, he certainly had 4 years to have chopped his own, as they say in Nigeria. So I'm not quite sure what more he wants after having ruled over Lagos State for 8 years. So now this is now this guy now kissing ass to Mallam Buhari. I think it's now the play for 2023 that we're seeing playing out now, because everybody now has to pander to Buhari, because Buhari is going to have the say on who succeeds him as Nigerian president, because he's almost certainly going to be an APC person, and he's certainly going to be a southerner if the power shift arrangement holds firm. But which southerner is now the play now? So Fashola's name is in the heart, Tinubu certainly is in the lead, and Bode is coming up strong. So now these are the players. So now which other name will emerge is the next question, but Fashola certainly is showing his hand now by doing this Rankadedes, a prominent lawyer, a former governor of Lagos State, a senior advocate of Nigeria, in the Idobale position to the semi-literate president of Nigeria, calling him their leader, as they do in North Korea, and as they do to Kim Jong-un, the North Korean leader, where they call him their leader. So he's doing their leader to Mallam Buhari because he has to leak house for the comings of 2023. My reading, what is yours? Conversations in the comment section, but before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Click on the bell button, that's where you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let me know what you are making of this. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.